In the world of motorsport, some cars don't just compete, they define a class. The Aston Martin Vantage GTE is one of those machines. Born on the track and built for endurance, it's not just a race car, it's a symbol of British engineering, racing passion, and unrelenting performance. At first glance, the Vantage GTE looks familiar. It shares its silhouette with the road-going Aston Martin Vantage, a sleek, low-slung, aggressive coupe with unmistakable curves and a predatory stance. But the GTE is a different beast entirely. It's what happens when Aston Martin takes luxury and style and injects it with raw, track-ready performance. Developed for the FIA World Endurance Championship, the Vantage GTE is purpose-built for some of the most demanding races on Earth, including the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans. Endurance racing isn't just about speed, it's about reliability, precision, and the ability to deliver consistent performance hour after hour. And that's exactly where the GTE excels. Under the hood lies a race-tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, developed in collaboration with Aston Martin Racing and ProDrive. It's compact, lightweight, and engineered for both power and endurance. While specific horsepower numbers vary depending on race regulations, it's safe to say the Vantage GTE is a serious performer, with blistering acceleration and torque delivered with precision. But speed alone doesn't win endurance races. The GTE's body is made almost entirely from carbon fiber, giving it strength without excess weight. Massive front splitters, deep side skirts, a huge rear diffuser, and that signature racing wing aren't just for show. They provide real downforce and aerodynamic stability at high speeds. Every curve and vent is there for a reason. It's beauty with a purpose. Inside, the Vantage GTE is stripped down to the essentials: carbon racing seats, a roll cage, fire suppression systems, and motorsport-grade electronics. It's a focused environment built for serious drivers, whether in day or night, rain or shine, and the results speak for themselves. Since its debut in 2018, the Vantage GTE has racked up multiple wins and championship titles in the WEC, often battling neck and neck with legends from Ferrari, Porsche, and Corvette. At Le Mans, one of the toughest races in the world, it has proven its worth with incredible reliability, speed, and team performance. But the GTE is more than just a machine. It carries heritage. Aston Martin's racing legacy dates back over 100 years. From early hill climbs to Formula One to GT racing, the brand has always combined elegance with aggression. The Vantage GTE is the modern expression of that philosophy, graceful in design, brutal in execution. And even when it's parked, the GTE makes a statement. It's a rare sight, a machine built not for public roads, but for the edge of speed and endurance. A machine driven by some of the world's best pilots, under some of the world's harshest conditions. Whether it's flying down the Mulsanne Straight at Le Mans, diving into the corners at Spa, or roaring through the night at Sebring, the Aston Martin Vantage GTE is doing what it was born to do: chase victory, lap after lap. It's not just a car, it's a warrior in green.